Now question number 2. Y is equal to 1 over x plus 1 at x naught is equal to 2, x1 is equal to 3. Now first of all, we will write it in the form y is equal to f of x is equal to 1 over x plus 1. Now for the first point, that is your x naught is equal to 1 over x naught plus 1, and for the second point, f1 1 over x1 plus 1. Now here one option is that you can simply put the values of x naught and x1 and simplify here and then replace the function. So we can write it as 2 plus 1 is equal to 1 over 3. We have directly put the value, and here 1 over 3 plus 1 is equal to 1 over 4. Now we are going to put these values in the formula. First of all, the formula is delta y by delta x is equal to f of x1 minus f of x naught whole divided by x1 minus x naught. So 1 over 4 minus 1 over 3, and here just replace with the points, that is 3 minus 2. Now we are going to simplify it here, that is 12, and 3 minus 4 over plus 1, this is your minus 1 over 12. So delta y by delta x is the answer. I have written the simplified form of the answer is here. Now question number 3. Again we have to find out the average rate of change, and now we are having a function which is constant, a square over 2 at x naught is equal to 1 and x1 is equal to 3. Now again y is equal to f of x is equal to a square over 2. Now keep in mind it is a constant function and there is no variable with it. So f of x naught is equal to a square minus 2 will remain as it is because it is a constant function. Again f of x1 is equal to a square over 2. Now replace the values. Delta y by delta x is equal to f of x1 minus f of x naught whole divided by x1 minus x naught. Now put the values here, that is your a square by 2 minus again a square by 2 because it is a constant function, so there will be no change in it. So 3 minus 1, this is the 1. So delta y by delta x, this is cancelled, which is 0 over 2 is equal to 0. Delta y by delta x is equal to 0. Answer. Now for constant function, rate of change is always 0. Now next question.